There's a rumor going around. People are saying there's a way to get Adobe Creative Cloud for free, for a full year, without using a crack, without paying, and without doing anything illegal. Sounds like a myth, right? Well, I decided to find out. The site everyone's talking about is called FunZap. Supposedly it offers access to premium software, including Adobe, just by completing a few simple steps. No credit card, no serial keys, just tasks. So I wanted to test it. Let's break it down. Myth 1, it's fake. There's no way to get Adobe for free. Reality, it worked, for me at least. I went to the site, searched for Adobe Creative Cloud, and found the offer. The page said I needed to complete 1 or 2 tasks, like downloading an app, opening it, or signing up for something free. And everything was clearly explained. The instructions were written right on the screen. Nothing sketchy, no guessing. So I did what it said. It took me about 5 minutes. After that, a coupon was revealed. I followed the steps, added it to my Adobe account, and boom, Creative Cloud All Apps, active for 12 months. No tricks, no trial message, just full access. Myth 2, you'll get a virus or malware from it. Reality? No, I didn't download anything suspicious. All apps were from official app stores, and the process didn't require any invasive permissions. Myth 3, it's not legal. Reality? Let's be clear. This is not an official Adobe offer, and it may not be available in all regions. You're using it at your own risk. I'm not promoting anything illegal, just sharing my experience. So, is it a myth or reality? For me, it was real. But the internet changes fast. Offers come and go. If you're going to try it, make sure you follow the instructions carefully. And always be cautious with your data and your devices. If you've tested FunZap too, leave a comment below and tell us what happened. Was it a win or a waste of time?